What's going on? What's going on? Good morning. Welcome to Bitter Nadex, man. We gonna get it in right now. Man, just loving what I see right now in the market. We're gonna get right into it. So let's pull up. Every day's a good day, man. When you're trading, baby. Every day's a good day. Man. All right. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. Okay, so we are on the UJ. We have some USD news for all the people. I'm going to do a video on this already. Forex Factory. This is pretty much to get a good idea of what the news is going to be going on, what kind of news is going to be happening today. Today is Thursday the 7th. So this is all the past news for this week. So we're on today. Natural gas just came out at 10:30. We have crude oil inventories. And then from FOMC member speaks. So I'm waiting for this crude oils inventory to come out because oil is always a natural resource. I guess always a not commodity. It moves the market, basically what I'm saying. So we're gonna wait. I think it's another 30 minutes here before that drops. See what happens. But until then, man, let's get some charts marked up. So first and foremost, guys, we are in a downtrend. How do I know that? Again, if you don't know, go watch my videos on trends, how I identify a trend. So first and foremost, we are in the negative CCI. We see it drop down here, somewhere here, at this point. We also broke beneath our 21-day EMA. So that is showing resistance right now. The market try to go up. Some resistance here, pull back down. So we're in a nice downtrend. Not quite two tops, but last high was around here, so lower high. So I'm assuming this is going to be reacting to news here very shortly. So it seems like we're in a downtrend. M15, same. So we're back to our M5 here. So let's open this up a little bit, expand it out. Right now, everything's been moving nicely. Downtrend, market's waving, but it is in a nice downtrend. We have one bottom. We also have a last high, then a lower high. So it is dropping out nicely. So let's see if we can get into something here. Downtrend. Catch this. First wick. We can go here, but first wick. All right, so this is our trend line. Of course, how do we know it's a good trend line? I'm gonna keep beating this in your head every time. So because I know. So big candle break, resistance, 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 big candle break. This didn't even have a chance to check support. It just broke through, and now we're testing right now resistance. So if I wanted to get into a trade right now, I'm gonna jump to my demo. Again, jump to my demo. I do have a live account, so you can get a demo account with Nadex. But guys do know, and I'm making this video, the dark side of Nadex. Just know that there's a difference with demo and with your live account. the pips prices, entry prices, there's a difference. So don't think it's going to be the same. You have to get yourself correlated to that, but they are similar. Just the prices are not the same. Let's see, the market is this price point here. Let's see if it's going to shoot back through. It may shoot back through. So let's see what that looks like on NetX. Where did it go? Where did it go to? Where did it come from? That's big. So let's go point to point. We're touching the first wick. Oh, looks a little different on NetX. Huh? Looks a little different on NetX. So let's see. Let's go. Is this correct? Is the price point right there? So it's a little, it's right there. Let's see. And that's because I'm going true to the wick. Okay. So it's like right there. Could we go here with it? No, it's too much. So we go to the wick here. I initially had it here. Oh, that's why I had that. So I want to leave it right there. That's my options. This is more. We'll see. But either in any event, we're not getting into this trade anyway. So let's get back to it. All right, so let's zoom in. See if we can. Let's make sure our trend lines. I don't want to leave no money on the table. Cool. Okay. So I had to zoom in a little bit just to see if I was touching the wick, that first wick, which I am. That's fine. So this looks to be a little bit support. And again, you guys see me. I'm just checking. I'm checking on both things. You know what I mean? On both charts here. So this looks like a nice buy. We can't get in. Obviously, it's too far gone. 34 seconds left. But looking like a good setup on the trend line. So always make sure, guys. That's why I drew it here and I drew it on NetX. If it's not looking right, come back, re-examine it, zoom in, take your time. Take your time. It's not a rush, man. It's not a rush. Oh man, look at that. Market is in a big downtrend. All right, let's see. Let's get our bottom. Again, I'm looking when I'm drawing my support and resistance zone, following the same rules. Support, resistance here, big candle break. Now this is a big candle break and it closed on the opposite side. It went continue to go down. This big candle break broke through that support zone here, top of our support zone, continue to go up, and it came down and retested. So that's why the top of my support zone is right here. This is the bottom, just the end of the wick. As we see here, big candle break. So the market is following our rule set. Remember, 3 rules. I'm gonna keep saying it, keep specifying. Support, resistance, big candle break. Your trend line, your support and resistance space or area has to show those 3, right? Those 3 characteristics. We see here, big candle break on our trend line, big candle break. resistance, 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 big candle break, support. Now we got support on it. So we're in a downtrend. Right. So let's bring our
Dude, I asked you for your stuff.
I'm on the thing.
There's other stuff. Okay.
For entry here. Actually, we should have actually ended up here. And this is why you guys gotta use these to correlate. We're looking for entry here, right? And this is a riskier trade than up here, right? So we should have been up here, knowing it's a downtrend. But look, guys, remember I was talking about yesterday with the two touch? I know it's a downtrend, right? So the market touched here, tried to go higher, came back down, right? It's pushing it back down. So I know in my mind, I already know from experience from trading that in the downtrend, it's going to come down and blow through our trend line with a big candle break and continue to drop low. And where did it touch? It's touching the bottom of our last low, pretty much. So let's go back to it. Yeah, it's pressing hard on that last low. So for new traders, you may be tempted to say, "Oh, it's going to pull back here in this area right here. This is going to pull back." This is what I want to explain to you guys. Do not fight the trend. Do not trade against the trend. People may see this like, "Oh yeah, maybe we can get in here or get in down here somewhere." No, we should have been in up here. And if we didn't see it, we didn't see it. Don't kill yourself about it. You're not going to see every setup. But just from my knowledge and what I know, my experience in trading these markets, you have such a huge turn down from here. This is your response candle. It just hit our resistance trend line. Smart resistance our trend line, bounced off, pulled back, but the power is still there because this tried to shoot back up and test at this EMA. Couldn't even reach that high and it pulled back and now it's breaking through. So, and this is why I want to trade during news because this is the type of things you're going to see. A lot of movement real quick, breaking through trend lines, breaking through your barriers, breaking through your tops and your bottoms, whatever you want to call it. I use all those different terminologies. So look here, it's breaking our last low. All right. Also, M15. I mean, look how that correlates over. I like that. Same rules. I'm looking at my trend line. I want to make sure that I'm good. Double checking my work. Same thing correlates. You know what I mean? Big candle break, big candle break. Resistance, 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 big candle break. Pull down, big candle break back through. Let's check the H1. Yeah, market is pulling back down. It's probably going to get back to this point right here. All right, but it's a huge move, and that's because of what? We're in news right now. And I want guys to see this. Don't be scared of it. Don't be, oh, I don't know. People will tell you don't trade during news, but you got to see for yourself. Like I said, trading is a lonely game, is a one-man game. Right? So you guys are going to want to experience all aspects of trading. Understand this right here is a lot of movement in the market. Right? A lot of downtrend, a lot of down energy. But as I said yesterday, right, if we zoom this out, right, shot up high, higher low, the market never just drops out. Not usually. But it had, Brexit days. But the market didn't do this, didn't do that. Like all we want to see is good market movement. And right now it's good market movement. It's a downtrend. This is what's happening. Market is in waves, big movement through ours, big candle break through our support zones, support and resistance zones. So don't be worried. Understand this is the time to practice your trend lines. This is the time to practice your candle formations. Study your candle formations, see how they look when the market is changing direction. And like in this area right here, like this is what I like to do. This is what I do. Study the market. What are these candle formations looking like? What kind of candle? We got a doji here. We got a half hammer here. We got an engulfing. break back down. Like, how does the market start to change direction? What candle structure? How does the candles look when they start to change direction? Even places like here, right? Even here, how does it change direction? Doji candle to the half hammer engulfing. You know, this is the time to start doing that stuff. This is where you want to start to bring in those little small things, like those little things that are going to polish off your strategy. Right, guys, my strategy is two touch. That's my strategy. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I like. That's what I like to trade. That's what's comfortable to me. But for you guys out there watching right now, you have to. This is just a foundation to build your own thing. You can add Elliott waves to this. You can do you can do Elliott waves, Fibbo. You can do throw Fibbo on here, all right? Because it's news right now, so I'm not gonna be trading. But let me throw Fibbo on here. Fibbo retracement. Hmm, you know what I'm saying? Glass high, all right? Throw Fibbo on there. Or if I did it wrong, flip it. You know what I mean? Just flip it over. If you want to do Fibbos, you can do that. If you want to do fractals, look up fractals. What are fractals? You can do that as well. Look at this real quick. All right. Guys don't know what fractals are. Williams fractals. Hmm. Those indicators that you guys are saying, oh, they repaint, they do all that stuff. Look at the fractals. The fractals are changing direction, right? Boom, boom, boom. These are all changing direction. All changing direction, right? Do that too as well. These can help you as well. Look at what fractals are. Williams fractals. Look at that indicator. You know what I'm saying? But these are things that are at your disposal that you don't even know about. Look at it. Change direction. But these don't formulate before the change. These just tell you where the change directions are. So if I do this, right, add the Hakanashi on top of that, that helps me now know, okay, what to look for if I'm studying this. I'm still learning every day. I don't think I know it all. I'm still learning this stuff. You know what I mean? If you don't know Hakanashi, I'm saying it wrong, but Hakanashi candles are. I mean, I'm always expanding, always learning. So I'm learning. I've seen this a long time ago. I just wasn't sold on it, but gotta go with the times. Gotta keep learning. Gotta keep grinding and working. Man, just giving out tidbits, man. You don't need to run out here and get indicators. Let me show y'all something while we got some time. While we got some time. I want y'all to really see this. If you ever out here, right? And this is a trader. Um, it's right in your face. You don't even know it. Forex Factor. Anybody who trades Forex Factor, everybody tell you go to Forex Factor for the news. Excuse me. We live, so gotta drink my breakfast. Um, biggest thing, we have all these tabs up here, right? But right here, forums. Anything you're looking for, and this could be. I'm gonna do a dark side, Forex Factory, man. But look at these interactive trading systems, trading decisions. These are in the forums here. Rookie talk, commercial content, trading journals, interactive trading systems. Tons and tons and tons of free content. Tons and tons. Dude, you gotta just decipher it. It's not gonna be easy. It's a whole look. Highest open, lowest open trade. Look what they're giving you. They're giving you, and then do you think this method is simple? They do of course they're voting on it, right? You got look, highest open. Note this price base. So they're telling you how to trade this strategy on the H1. I'm like, this is free game. Look, it says added May 20th, 2016. So this has been added, and more. These are all the information that's been added over the years. You know what I mean? Trade one lot size, freedom that says trade ETA not welcome here, EAs are not welcome here. All this stuff. This is stuff from years ago. Look, they traded bought like it's just one thing. And you got to go, oh, this stuff looks old. Dude, a freebie one trader method. I've been trading for 9 years, favorite time frame is 1 minute. Um Mohawk and Nashi. I mean, keep actually smoking. This is from 2012. 2012. You know what I'm saying? This is old MT4 stuff, but it's dude, go in here, you can go in here and find so many pair diversion, trading made simple. I mean, round hour moving average cross strategy. Look at this. Look, this is the whole strategy. Join one, so two. When these cross, you know what I'm saying? Reason for this approach: absent fixed AP, take profit. Look, back tested 2013 to 2020. Huge gains. All he's doing is waiting for the cross. It's a crossover trade. That's all he's doing. Dude, these are simple strategies that you guys can jump on and take. Look, this is from 2020. This is from June 17th, 2020. This is from a couple of weeks ago. Oh, well, a couple months ago. Sorry. Entry Monday, Wednesday, hours 8 a.m. Previous day, trend did not matter. Setup. We got a strong trend before us. Crossing SA strategy, retrace, back test, period, one time. So these are just back tests. These are back tests. These are people who's back testing this strategy. Oh, it's the same person. I'm sorry. He's just back testing the strategy. AUD, NZD, Euro AUD. These are all back tests for the strategy. So if you guys, and he's giving it to you, total 32 today. Says, so these look like here. Days. Previous drawdowns. So these are all the days he was in the trade, all the profit he made. Dude. And it's a simple strategy. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Round hour cross strategy. He's giving it away for free. His first post was June 17th. He backtraced it. He's sharing it. Look, he's telling you setup, entry timing, exit strategy, reason for this approach. Like y'all paying dudes. Y'all paying people for this. It's all here, man. I'm telling y'all, and it's right under y'all noses. And these YouTube people are not. These YouTube guys are not telling y'all because they want to sell y'all a course. But all you gotta do. Please not copy anything from this thread. All right. Sorry for English. No. Some okay. Strategies based on price action. So look, here's another 15-minute time frame. This is from 2012. No, it looks like a long time ago, but let's see if he has anything updated. Everything's from old 2012. Don't get this. Slope changes to 32 level. Please indicate where. So these are all like they're just talking through the strategy. Please allow arrow indicated things. And this is just page one, dude. It's not even like this stuff can go on and on and on. And that's what I'm saying. This is the dark side of Nadex. I mean, sorry, Forex Factory. Because, dude, there's so many people. Why did it fail? Not justified, it just failed. Look, you know what I mean? So these look. I mean, these are old indicators, old indicating systems. I think I probably even used this back in the day. And it's giving it to you for free. Where's it at? I think somewhere he had it up here for free. Maybe the first page. But man, it's This is round number indicators, trading time indicator. Indicators use 200 EMA, 800 EMA, 10 EMA, round number indicator, and trading time indicator. So he's using a round number indicator. I used to have a round number indicator. Basically, it's just a indicator that highlights all the round numbers or the even numbers. That's all it is. Then he has these EMAs crossing each other on the bottom. So, and he's using the cross method as well. So he's waiting for this one to cross the other. I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna dig into it because it takes you up. But yeah, man, if you guys are looking for simple, if you're a new trader and you're just looking to get in and learn new systems and strategies, man, Forex Factory, they got a bunch of stuff in these forums, man. I mean, it's a rookie talk, any advice for a beginner. You can post questions in here. The worst strategy ever, moving from one-on-one risks. What's the biggest problem when it comes to trading? If you got questions, if you just want to throw something on here, the basics, trading schools. I mean, and then let me give you guys another tidbit since I'm on. If you not able to understand or follow follow along. Sorry about that. If you're not able to follow along, here is a free site to teach you how to trade. All right. It's called babypips.com. This is it. And I'm just showing you guys this because, like I said, I want you guys to win. All right. I don't want you guys to think. So this is Forex and crypto for beginners, trading, trade analysis, psychology, trading systems, crypto. All right. So learn Forex. You just start the course. All right. Get started. And this is how you do it. You go from preschool, what is all this stuff, what is Forex, all that good stuff. And then you go to kindergarten, Forex brokers, types of trade analysis, types of charts. Then you go to elementary, Japanese, Hakanashi, Fibonacci, moving averages, support and resistance levels, popular chart indicators, middle school, oscillators, pivot points, important chart patterns, Hakanashi, Elliott wave theory. Look at all this stuff. And this is free. Trading diversities, market movement. Like, look at this. This is free. This is free. This I can start this right now. Look, hold on. Start. Look, what is Forex? Learn about Forex. The only reason I think I haven't started because I have to sign in. You all courses. Let's see. Oh yeah, good start course. I think I may have to sign in. That's probably why. You know what I mean? But it's just this is totally free. I don't have a trade Forex sessions 3 margins. So what they're doing with the kindergarten, we're not even okay, yeah, I gotta sign in to get into the lessons, but they're still giving you a nice breakdown. So course 1 of 11 is what is Forex, right? And it's giving you the definitions. Like starting you off with the logic and the design. But like I said, this is 100% free. So
You need to start trading. You need to go get do the things I asked you to
okay.
before you started.
All right.
and you need to get on the phone and contact your HR and stop emailing.
Okay,
Get on the
okay,
phone and
okay,
do it.
okay. I'm doing something. Okay.
No, you want to trade first, and I already asked you to
Okay,
go
all
get your
right,
stuff,
okay.
but you're not moving. Yes.
I'm live on YouTube. Okay, wait.
You decide to do that.
Whatever.
You decide to do
Yeah,
that. And then everybody else can sit and wait on you.
all right, all
Go
right,
ahead.
all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not important. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. It's nothing. All right. So let's get back to it. It is 11:02. The market has looks like it's breaking back up into. So our bottom of our support resistance zone is showing uh, nice big candle break, of course, nice resistance, and then we have a big candle break back through. So let's see what happens. We are on a downtrend. So let's see what if it does break through. We have a minute, so it's hanging. Let me see if we can get into a trade here. And I don't think we got anything. We want to be around this, and the closest thing to that is here. Oh no, here. So sell. That's 50-50. Let's go ahead and place that order. Oh, well, shut up, shut up. Hold on, where we at? How much time we got? Minute 24 seconds. Let's just check. So this is really want to really be at right here. I'm just seeing it. Let's see. Let's get in. Let's get in. We got a minute 10 left. I'm just holding off. Tell you why. We're already in our support and resistance zone. So I'm holding off on that because it's showing a strong pullback right now. But we started inside our zone, so it's bouncing off the support. It's already showed us, and it's going up. So that's why I held off on that. I wanted to see if it was really going to react to. And it did for a second. When you see a big candle break through our trend. All right, guys. Oh, looks like a shot. So I got a shot to there. Go ahead. Oh, that's a nice little situation. It is 11:05. See if we got anything going. Mm. We on top of our trend line. I think it's going to shoot to our moving average and then come back down. That's just my opinion. But who am I? Who am I? No, let's see what it's going to do. So in this case, again, guys, we don't have a two-touch yet. We're kind of in no man's land right now, kind of waiting. The market is responding to this move right here to break back through. I would assume like, if it pulls back, I'm not going to get into the trade unless it comes down to this trend line because that's going to be my bottom. But right now, it's showing some nice support. And like I said, I'm thinking it's going to bounce off of this and continue up to our EMA. So let me see. Bye. Love for it to be a little bit lower. Go for a buy. Come on down. Give me a better price. Give me a better price. It's really bouncing off of that um, support level. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump in and take that for 5 contracts on this one. Has to be above 1.7. It's at 1.69. So we'll just wait and see what it does. Again, with Nadex, we can jump out. So uh, don't be too weird. I mean, yes, be conscious of it, but it's not like the old binary options where that's it. It's whatever. This is our profit, take profit or loss. So if we want to jump out and close, this is what we're going to lose. So we got in 5 contracts at 54. It was $54. So we jump out, this is how much we're going to lose. So let's see what happens. We're at 5.2, so I'm going to be dropping out. I'll be dropping out next one. Actually, let's see. Let's wait and see. I'm curious to wait and see. As do I like the 1 minute. Oh, yeah, it's coming down fast. Okay. I don't think I have enough time for it to test and then bounce back up on us. So let's see. We'll wait and see. We got 2 minutes. Wait and see. But I'm thinking it may come down and bounce and test, or it may just be gathering energy right now and shoot back up. I like the latter because it's pulling down now, but we'll wait and see. Again, we're not doing two touch yet. This is an early candle, so like I said, this is more of a riskier candle, but we'll see what happens on that. It looks like it may be holding tight. 154. Take it pulls back. We got 30 seconds to get out of the trade, so see what happens. We jump out, we'll lose 157. 8 is at 158 right now. See what's gonna pull back. Might be it. We'll lose 147. 161 is pulling back. Pull back, pull back. 163. 164. I don't think we're gonna make it. 164. Oh, okay. There it is. 168, 169, 17. It's tight. It's tight. There it is, guys. 179. We're gonna be at 168. Yeah, that's gonna be. We're gonna lose that one possibly. Yep, we lost that one. So that was a tight one. And we lost. Did we lose that one? Yeah, we lost that one. Which is fine. You're gonna lose some. All right, cool. So this now becomes our second touch. One touch to touch. I still believe that it's gonna go up to the PMA. So let's go ahead. And this is the beauty of live trading, right? I can't say, oh yeah, we going. Oh look, yeah, because it's below our. Look, there it is. Dang, did we miss that? I think we might have missed that. I think we might have missed that. No, we did. Let's go for a sell. Make $200 on that. It goes down. So we're saying it's going to be a below 1.7. And the reason why I took that was, again, oh, it's dropping out. So the reason why I took that was a candle formed below our support resistance zone. So you guys see what I did. I jumped in the trade too early, not waiting on my strategy to formulate, and I lost that first trade. The second trade is going up and down, bouncing. Now we're still trading during news. News just came out, so there's a lot of stuff going on and on. I did this is all on purpose. We want to see we want to understand and see what's going on in the market. but this is still my top of my trend line, support and resistance area. So I'm not too worried about it. It's gonna fluctuate up and down. And again, we got it at a good price. So, but it's pulling back on 7. Um, and this is all just based because I'm respecting my trend line or respecting my area, and I know this is a downtrend, so I know that I'm going with the trend. I'm looking for entries with the trend. We're at 2 minutes. It's a lot of time left in the candle, so too. Yep. Live trade, you can't hide, baby. $214. Boom, 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 boom. Ba-da-boom, ba-da-boom. And now 246. Ba-da-boom, ba-da-boom.
Wait, no? Where's the lighter? You don't have another lighter?
I don't. So
You should have never took the one out the
come
drawer.
on. I'm trading. I'm live trading right now.
Get up and go.
You're such a hater.
Get up and go get your stuff.
You're such a hater. All right, wait.
Can I use your card?
Wait, I'm doing something. You have to wait. What are we at?
Can I use your card on Amazon?
No. That's gonna kill you trading right there. Paying attention and messing me up or I jumped out the trade. It's all good. I'm not worried. This is what we trade demo for. But okay, so the market shot back up, tested here. I said that initially. I still wanted it to come back down and shoot up to here. But again, this is showing us that our strategy is not 100%. So we lost our first one. We jumped in prematurely. We lost the second one legitimately. The market shot back up. It's going to test in the EMA. Maybe even looks like it's starting to go up higher. But we'll wait and see what it does. But these are the days that you guys cannot be frustrated at because, again, look what we're trading. It's 11:15. News just came out. I did this on purpose to show you guys that during this period of time, everything that you think you know or you think you know about the market is going to be turned on its head, right? Everything that you think you know that it's going to do this, and this. When there's news, everything is spontaneous. You don't know what's going on. So uh, theoretically, we can jump out now and just wait, or we can wait for the news to finish, wait till about 11:30. But like I said, guys, I wanted to do it as the news was hitting, jumping in here, jumping in trades, doing things a little bit less reckless, a little bit less accurate than I have in previous lives. This is trading during the news, and this is what's gonna happen to you, man. If you're not strict on when you do things, why you do things, how you do things, right? The logic behind trading. So right now, I mean, I'm not too worried. Let's see if we can get something going right here. Boom. Thought I saw a trend line. Thought I saw a trend line. Yeah. Boom. Let's get this noise out here. Boom back. For buy. There's no money in that. There is no money in that. There is a money in this for a buy. Still for 290. Price is 220. That's 2, 3. Let's see. And it's 221. Has to be above 2, 3. Slide this over. Okay, I'm gonna take it up. Right there. So why did I take this up? Well, came down. It's above our trend line. Trend line is not showing support. I just drew this literally across our trend line, right? To see what I can get a quick entry. We're at 220. We have to be above 22. We have to be above 20. We have to be at 23 or above, right? So the market is holding at our EMA. Our EMA is support, and down here is support. So that's why I jumped into it. We're at, let's get back to it. We are at 224, 223. We need to be above 23. 221, 219. So it's teetering. Like I said, guys, even if we do not get to where we want to be, look, this, I mean, I think our max loss is 303. And then we got 2-1. Let's see what's gonna do. 2-1. 215. 211. 2-1. So 161. It's dropping now. So I'm gonna jump off this trade. Let's close it out at 187. We lost probably half our trade to that. And again, guys, this is trading. This is trading during the news. This is what I want you guys to see. What's gonna happen? Everything that we think is gonna happen, it's not gonna happen. Like yesterday, everything was hitting. Wasn't any news. There wasn't anything to interfere, to push the market, to put fear and greed into the market. So now we're doing it live. Mm-hmm. So let's see, still teetering on. So our support zone is showing, our trend line is showing great support right now. It's showing amazing support. See, it's not even a wick here. Yeah, see, that's kind of whack. But demo is different, and there's tools in live that are a lot better. Like, all right. So we lost what, 3 in a row? 3 in a row during news. That sounds about right. Sounds about right. So right now, guys, this is the video that I wanted to show you guys. That I needed to show you guys, the losing video, the video where I lost and didn't make money. Again, this is on demo, and I know people are gonna be like, "Oh, it's just demo," but this is the reason why we don't trade during news. And I'm curious to see now. Let's see if it's here. This is the reason why we don't trade during news. This is the reason why we don't go against the trend. This is the reason why we are very logical on what we're doing. Now, we know it's a downtrend. Breakdown came back through, starting to turn. Our support resistance, our trend line is showing resistance here, and we have an EMA shooting up. I don't think you're gonna get anything. There's nothing gonna be here. Yeah, it's not a lot of money here. $100. I'll take the 100. If I'm risking too much to take that 100, but let me see if I can get a better price. Uh, 25. This is what I'm looking at, guys. When I say a better price, I want 60-40, 60% loss, 40% profit. This is 86.24. It's not great. That's not great either. Man, it's too much risk for too little profit. So right now I'm in the profit $15. I'm only gonna make it's 28 times 5. So I'll probably make $100 minus the fees, maybe $90 off this trade. And these are in the money trades. These are higher, you put more money up, but you get a better odds of winning because you're already winning the trade. If the market was up here, I'll be out of the money. So a lot of trades I was looking for when I say better price, looking for out of the money trades. Let me see what's this. I'm not getting into that. We're in for here already. So what's that for sell? Yeah, that's not good. I mean, that depends on who you are. I mean, if you just want to make a quick $20, scalp out, by all means, you can do that as well. You know what I mean? So if you just want to do a $20 and oh, I did 5 trades for $20, hey, you can do that. But I don't want to be in the market that long. You know what I mean? You know how many trades you gotta do, how many contracts trades you gotta do to make $100 if you're doing it, if you're scalping that way. Um, yeah, it's not to me, it's not really that good to do. You know what I mean? So but next week I believe you're gonna draw down here because I gotta get back to work. But I mean, it's a runaway, pretty much. And people may ask, why don't you just do this? Why don't you just get in the money? It's more of a risk because you're putting up $400 to win $100. That's not really smart trading. If the market does turn against you, if you are in a situation where you are wrong, you could lose $400, or you could lose, um, at least half of that, and you only want to make $100. You know what I mean? And it's not the risk is not there. The risk to reward ratio is not there. So you want to get in, you want to be decisive, you want to anticipate the market as much as possible. Is there risk in anticipation? Yes, there is. You know what I mean? And I just showed it. There's risk in trading during the news. There's risk in anticipation, and no one on YouTube is going to show you that. I'm just live trading. We lost, I believe, 3 trades. We lost 2 trades outright, and um, we took stop loss on the last one. So this is what it is, guys. You know what I mean? This is what it is. We have to be below 147.23. We are at 147.221. 15 seconds left. And this is what I mean when I say um, I'm risking $400 to make $100. And if for any reason I would have lost this trade at the last minute, like I lost the other ones I think I lost the second one at the last minute. Right? It came back up and then it lost. I think I lost at the last minute. So I did all of that just to make $100. So it's and the market is still flowing up. So let's see. Yep, came down, bounced support off of our trend line, shot back up. So guys, I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna jump on. I'm gonna wait until 12, maybe 12:30. I'm gonna trade live. Go to my Instagram, BitterNadeX. I'm gonna be trading on my live account. At that point, I just wanted to do this live during news to kind of show you guys. Don't be discouraged and to always look at your news, man. I already understand what the market is doing. All right, guys, peace. I'm out of here. Dun, 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 dun.